Ang ganda, no? Go, teacher. Lapit na. Gagagawa ni teacher, Miss Hazel. Teacher Hazel. Teacher, tapos na to?
Yes.
Okay. The finish.
Wow.
Miss Hazel.
Yes.
Anong tawag? Anong tawag? Tawag dito, photo booth.
Yes. Photo booth.
Photo booth yan. Yan na siya.
Photo op.
Yes. Okay. Yan na siya. Ang photo booth.
A few moments later.
Photo booth natin.
Tara.
Ang ganda. Yan.
Ay! May ano? Ayan. Sabi na ko dito. Hindi pa nakalagay yan. May bakit ako mag-isa?
Yan, sample. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. One more. Okay, one more. Okay, go.
Okay, go.
Yan na siya. Thank you for watching. Yan. Thank you, Miss Hazel.